Hi guys and welcome back. So this lecture is all about ad formats. So we are on the dashboard now, and to create an ad, all we have to do is select this create an ad button here. Now this takes us straight to the campaign objective. If you have previously set up ads, you will have the option to use existing ads, but I'm going to assume that you haven't, so I will stay here with create a new ad. As you can see here on the left hand corner, the advertising objective is the first of two steps within the campaign section. The campaign section is basically to determine your overall objective of running an ad. So it basically poses a question, why are you running an ad and what results do you want? Step 2 and 3 of the ad setup is the ad group and the ad itself. The ad group is basically where you set up everything to do with your target audience, who it is you're targeting, where it's being shown and what languages, etc. And then step 3, which is the ad, is basically where you upload or create the ad creative itself, whether that be a video or a couple of photos, for instance. But as for the campaign objectives, which is the first step in this process, you have to decide on what you want out of the ad. What you choose here is going to determine how you set up an ad, and each setup process is different for each ad objective. I have a whole section on ad objectives where we will go into them a little bit deeper, and I'll show you how to run each ad. But for now, we'll just cover the basics on a traffic ad so you can understand the first step. Ad objectives are split into 3 categories, and these are awareness, which includes reach, consideration, which includes traffic, video views, lead generation and community interactions, and finally conversion, which includes app promotion and website conversions. So you can look at this like a bit of a funnel. First of all, you build awareness, then you build consideration for your brand, and then you get conversions. So the reach ad shows your ads with a maximum number of impressions in your targeted audience at the most efficient price. The traffic ad drives people to any URL, such as your website's landing page, a blog post, or an app. The video views ad maximizes plays of your video ads from audiences most likely to engage with them. The lead generation ad collects leads for your business with a fast-loading, customizable instant form within a TikTok ad. So if you wanted to collect numbers or names or emails, that's the one you want. The community interaction ad gets more people to engage with your TikTok account by driving followers or increasing traffic to your profile page. The website conversion ad encourages people to take specific actions on your website, such as add to cart, download your app, register for your site, sign up to your newsletter, or make a purchase. And finally, the app promotion ad encourages new people to use your app or re-engages existing users to take actions within your app. Okay guys, so that was a quick overview of each of the ad objectives. That's it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next one.